Hello, I'm Ludovic Levy and I'm in charge of data strategy and governance for the Orange Group. The first aspect is about data governance. Second aspect, it's about data documentation. With regards to data governance, we need to create some rules of data access all across the company, rules which are shared by the whole employees. Actually, so far, there were not strong rules. At the end of the day, the data was not flowing really. All the data owners were sitting on their database and did not really want to share it. With the rules, it's not an option. You have to share, obviously, with respect to our customers' privacy and with respect to the economic integrity of the company. The second aspect is about data documentation. It's really important that the data scientists spend more time on focusing on the data modeling rather than trying to understand what the data are about, rather than spending time on cleaning, preparing. They have to focus on the modeling. So if we provide them with very good data understanding, then they go much faster. First, you need to start with the top management. You need to make sure that they really understand what is at stake with data and AI, because it's not that easy. They are not millennials usually at the top management level. So you need first to spend enough time to make them understand. And then you go down all the management lines and go down to the progressively to all the team to make them understand as well, to spread the culture over the whole company. And to do so, we put in place, for instance, some data days, taking together all the job lines, making them exchange their best practice sharing. And I have to say that it takes time, because at Orange we have 150,000 people, and to turn the company into a data-driven company with a data-driven culture, it will take some years. We can do two things mainly. First thing, it's about improving our products, improving our interfaces with our customers. For instance, with Jingo, our personal assistants, we are decreasing the frictions in between our customers and the product and services they are using. Second thing we are doing with AI, it's to improve the decision making all over the company processes. For instance, when it comes to decrease the churn, we are using AI to get a better understanding, to make better prediction with regards to the population, with regard to the customers who are about to churn and to leave to the competition. Technology and method of work are evolving very, very fast. I would say faster and faster. And for me, to meet regularly with some students is a way also to be up to date, even more with regards to the way of thinking, which is changing a lot as well. So I would say that I'm very, very happy to be there, and simply because it is also very much refreshing.